I'm going to give you a brief about what all are the topics for this coming week. So, are you guys ready? Well, I'll discuss about the first topic, and the first topic for this week is something which is known as data pre-processing in machine learning. Okay, so if I tell what is data pre-processing and why to do, what is the importance and all that. Okay. So firstly, pre-processing the data, it is basically transformations that we apply on the data before feeding it to the algorithm. Okay, we need to do some transformations. So it's a technique that is used to convert the raw data into a clean data set. Okay, so in other words, if I would say, whenever the data is gathered from various different sources, it is in a raw format, which is not feasible for the analysis. So we would be doing the binarization as in to convert this raw data into the format that we need for our algorithm. So this is what is data pre-processing. So uh, there are various steps. Like firstly, we get the raw data, we convert it into a structured data, and then we do the pre-processing part. And then there is exploration data analysis, and then finally we get the visual graphics as well. So this is the whole flow. Okay, so I hope that the first topic of data pre-processing is very much clear to you guys. So this is a very, with proper examples. But before that, let me tell you the other topic for that week. So the other topic is a very interesting one. So how many of you have heard about regular expressions, regex? So if you have heard, do type in the comments. Well, it's a very special sequence of characters that uses a search pattern to find a string or a set of strings. Okay. So what it can do, it can detect the presence or absence of a text. Okay. So how it does that, it matches it with a particular pattern, and it can also split a pattern into one or more sub patterns. Okay. So in Python, we have a RE module. It supports the use of regex in Python. Okay. The primary function of it is to offer a search where it takes a regular expression and a string. Thus, we would be using this regex technique to validate the email as well as mobile number, and we'll be using regex in Python. Okay, so I hope this is clear. I hope the what part of data pre-processing and email and mobile validation is very much clear to you guys. But how to develop it and how to use it, we would be understanding the same in our upcoming videos. So they'll be launched in our upcoming week, okay, on Wednesday as well as Friday. All right. For the notifications, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the update on the next topic. And I want you guys to comment what is the next video you would like to watch. Okay. So do write in the comments. All right.